Moving on to our goatee effects, we're going to start off at the middle and work our way to the sides. We're also going to make sure the hair feeds into the teeth of the trimmer, because if not, then the hair is going to shift and then you won't line them up properly. Once we start to line up this little piece right here, you're going to see the lining is going to start coming together. Again, make sure you keep the vertical bars as natural as possible, and also you want to make sure you don't press too hard. Again, you want to make sure that the hair feeds into the teeth of the trimmer. Moving on to our Turkish razor and Derby Premium blades, we're going to make them as crispy as possible. But before we do that, we're going to apply some shave gel, making sure that the razor glides better. Also, when you're using the blade, you want to make sure you stretch the skin as much as possible with your opposite hand, and also keep the blade at a 45-degree angle. This lowers the likelihood of you cutting someone. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Also, if you guys want to leave some extra support, go ahead and follow the Instagram.